Simple tips to help you understand how to make money online. Many people do not know how to start earning money online. Luckily, you are here. The video will go over some of the basics that will answer questions you may be thinking about. Make certain to watch this piece to have the best chance at success. If you intend to make money online, join at least one forum first. There is a lot to be learned, and you can do so from other people's mistakes, rather than having to make your own. Introduce yourself, ask questions and make connections too. Networking for online money-making situations can turn into very lucrative jobs. Take a look at survey work. There are a multitude of surveys for you to complete. They can be a good source of a little extra money. However, they usually don't pay much. However, they are easy to do during downtime, and the money you make from them will quickly add up. If owning your own blog is a bit too time-consuming, but you would still like to write and earn money, think about creating videos for existing blogs. There are a number out there, including weblogs and pay-per-post. With a little research and a bit of initiative, you could get set up with one of these sites and start earning money in no time. Remember to create a budget before you start to work online. You need to know what your overhead will be it the cost of your computer and internet connection if your work will be completely totally virtually, or any supplies you need if your plan is to sell items online. As you are now aware from this video, it is really possible to make money on the internet. You simply need the right information. This video was the right first step. Put these tips to use and watch the cash flow in. Student loan,